back to another video here on how the CG fix. Today we're supposed to do a restoration on the headlights, but as you can see, the weather's bad out. It's supposed to rain, so we're gonna give you an update what we got going on throughout the week. We got a lot of suspension work, a lot of bushing work, a lot of brake jobs going on. We got radio installing, so we got a lot of work going on. Also, our vehicles, obviously, it's not gonna be no racing stuff right here. But we got a lot of videos going on where we're going to show you how to install your own parts in your own car so you don't got to pay a local mechanic. So guys, I'll see you guys soon in the garage. My boy David got some stuff going on over there. We'll see you guys there soon. See ya. Alright guys, so we're going to be going over to the garage, see what my boy David's got going on over there. As you can see, you know, we got this brakes going on. We got some brakes from A1 Auto that we're gonna be installing on the Acura TSX just for the video purposes, but soon I'll be installing, you know, some Brembos or something on my vehicle. Every time I upgrade, another thing, every time I upgrade stuff in my car, I'm gonna be giving away my old parts. So like the intake, when I go upgrade on that, I'm gonna be giving that away. So I'm also gonna be doing giveaway of parts that I install. When I upgrade up to them, I'll be giving away to those. So you guys gotta make sure you guys like, subscribe to this channel. But I gotta get out of here because the cops are getting called on me. I guess I can't record here. But that's what happens when you become a YouTuber and, you know, you learn from your mistakes where you can record or not. It's a real learning experience, guys. So for those asking me, how do you have the confidence to do it, guys? You just gotta go ahead and do it. Go for your dreams, guys. You always wanted to be a YouTuber. Just go ahead and do it. Don't let nobody stop you from your dreams, guys. You just gotta go ahead and just gotta do it. You gotta have the motivation. Just start it, you know. Don't wait too long. You wait too long, you're never gonna get started. You know, that's what I did. I wish I started 5 years ago. But anyway, you guys, I'll see you guys over there. I'll see you in the garage. We'll see what we got going over there. Keep you updated. See you guys soon. My buddy's garage. He's gonna be working on this caliber right over here. He got exhaust work to do on that. We're gonna see what he's doing right now. He's actually working on the caliber right now on the exhaust work. So as you can see, he's right over here. Yeah, a lot of work going on here. What's up, David?
How you doing?
What are you working on today?
Try to fix this pipe, but it's broke down right now.
So he's working on he's welding right now. He's trying to fix the piping to put on that caliber. We're also gonna be putting topic on that vehicle right there, that Jeep. Hopefully this Honda, the owner gets in contact so we can get this Honda going. It's been sitting here for a while, so we're gonna see if this guy actually calls us and gets this car going on and get it ready. So yeah guys, this is what we're doing today. Is a quick update what we got going on all week. We also got a 2011 Caliber, which is basically the same vehicle, but it's a 2011. We're gonna be doing the bushings on the back, the rear links on it, and the bushings itself. We're gonna be doing, for the Acura TSX, we got the rotors and brakes that we're gonna be putting on. We're also gonna do an installation, how to put some struts. So this strut right over here is all busted up, and we're gonna show you how to, from scratch, we're gonna put it on. So as you can see, we got right over here, we got just the strut itself, and then we're gonna put the spring on it, basically assemble the whole thing. We're gonna show you how to do that. And then right over here, we got the brakes and rotors, so we gotta do that also on the Acura. And the only reason I'm doing these is just for the video purposes, but you know, obviously upgrade to like Brembo or something. But also I'm gonna be doing giveaways, so all the old parts, so everything I take out of this vehicle is gonna be on the giveaways. Also with the gift card, guys. So yeah guys, we're gonna come back to this. We're gonna go to the barbershop. We're gonna go show you where I get my haircut from. And I'm gonna take David with me. We're gonna go over there and show you my barber so you guys can check him out and get your haircut. So we're gonna come back to the garage and get some work done, but we gotta get our haircuts done before, you know, we gotta go to work. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you where we get our haircut from over here in Platinum Cuts. We're gonna come in here. My buddy David right now is getting his haircut done. So we're gonna come in here. We're gonna check his haircut out. With Jay, what's going on?
Yeah, what's going on, Bobby? My name is Jay, you know, the best barber here in the Planning Cuts in Norwich, Connecticut, 189 Central Avenue. Yo, check it out.
You already know, check him out.
Barber,
Best barber in town, guys. Check him out. This is my buddy David getting his haircut right now. I already got a haircut on Monday. You know, my buddy David was getting a haircut. His, you know, the haircuts come out fresh. So if you guys want to check him out in Greenville, Norwich, Connecticut, at Platinum Cuts, make sure you check the address he gave you, and you know, definitely go check him out, guys. So I'm gonna go back to the garage, see what Dave's going on. We're gonna start working on some vehicles. So basically today this is a basic vlog going on of what's going on in the week. A quick update of upcoming videos. But if there's anything you guys want me to get done, you know, what you guys want to learn, put it down in the comments down below, guys, and we'll get that done, guys. So we're gonna see you in the garage. We're back in the garage. We're gonna be working on this caliber right over here. We got it on the lift, well, on the jack stand. And what he's gonna be working on is basically that pipe right over here. He's cutting it and he's gonna weld that pipe right here and get this all straightened out because this vehicle is really loud right now. Better, I'm gonna take the jack and so you guys can scope out that crack a little more. But yeah, we got a cracked rim, guys. I'm gonna go buy new rims. I'm gonna, since we're welding the muffler right now, I'm just gonna weld, you know, whatever's cracked. We're gonna go check under there, see what happened, and just do a little quick weld there, and then eventually I'm just gonna get new rims and then just get these refurbished, you know, get them all back to new. So let's go check this out, guys. Alright guys, yep, exactly what I thought. There's a crack right here. And another crack right there. So thanks to that pothole in the fucking construction, I'm gonna do some welding in here real quick. Just so I can get passed by till I get new rims real quick and then get these refurbished. But for now, I'm gonna tack these real quick. Close that up a bit and close that one up a bit. Alright, so that's what happens when you hit pothole, guys. You know, crack your rims, that's what you dodge every single pothole you see in the street. So I ran out of luck. This thing just died on me. I have no gas and I don't got time to go get gas. I gotta go see my family right now. So for the moment, I'm gonna put JB Weld on these things just so they can last me throughout the night or so, and then I'll come back tomorrow and weld these. But I was just in the process of welding them and this damn thing ran out of gas. So guys, anyways, this is why you avoid potholes, so you don't get any cracks in your rims. You do not want this because, you know, it's an expensive fix if you get really cracked rims, you know. So yeah guys, today was basically like a vlog. So I basically, you know, went through what I was gonna do throughout the week. And yeah, so guys, you guys don't want to miss out any content on how to assemble a strut. We're gonna do brake and rotors. We're also gonna be doing installing a radio. What else do we got? Yeah, we got a few things going on, guys. So if you guys want to learn anything, make sure you guys comment down below on what you want to see on the next video, or what you want to learn on your specific vehicle, if anything, or if you have any questions and need any help, guys. Make sure you hit your boy up, CG Fix here, guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all the subscribers, and those who are not subscribed, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and you guys will see great content coming out. We're gonna be going on Honda today. CG Fix. Take care, guys. Peace.